I'll start with Coco, our new beagle. Hey Coco, how you like it? What's today? Today's date? It's Friday the 18th?
19th.
Good God, 19th. We've been here for
2 weeks.
2 weeks. I feel like I haven't got enough done. It's been raining. But Coco has been wonderful. She hurt her. And I'm taking a quick video. Not allowed to film Haga. I think I don't know what I've shown and not. We do have a couple of coats of paint on this wall, and we're happy with it. I have the back of the bookshelf in. It looks nice. I think we know a little bit more about what our door is going to look like up here. And now, since it stopped raining the last day and a half, we've been working outside on the building this deck off the greenhouse. So I'm going to walk out and look at that. It's very, very pretty today. But again, it's pretty much been 2 weeks of rain, cold rain. It's been terrible. It has slowed us down tremendously. We got a big delivery of gravel. You can kind of see over there. It's miserable, especially with the weather being so wet. Trying to get wheelbarrows of it up this slippery plank and hill. And here is the footings that we're going to pour for the deck. We're kind of at the limit of frost line detailing here, and I'm just assuming that it's going to be okay. I'm hoping that it's going to be okay. It's not going to heave too much over time. I can't dig down 2 meters below the frost line, so we dug out this sort of wide footing and put in rigid insulation, and we'll backfill with all this gravel, and hopefully that's going to keep things steady for a long time. There's a huge boulder right here underneath this membrane. I'm probably going to add another support there after I set the joist, and there's the other foundation that we're pouring in concrete, other footing. We got the ledger board up this morning. It's all pressure treated. What is this? This is a 4 by 8, 4 by 10. I can't do math. It's 20 centimeters. Very heavy, very substantial. Yeah. So here we go. All this is going to be covered, so I just wanted to take a quick shot of it. We built this retaining wall yesterday as we've been digging out this hole. And all these rocks came out of this ground and got stacked here because we've decided we're going to keep this sort of a little alleyway accessible. It'll allow us to drain this